Follow your heart where it leads you. The View is a place where romantic weddings happen, and new life begins. It is located in Magtuod, Davao City, Philippines. At the end of the property, there's a gazebo where you and your loved one say, "I do." The place offers a magnificent and awesome view of the city. The View is best known for its solemn, tranquil, and beautiful surroundings. The water fountain and the pond provide a soothing sounds, and the cool breeze is just romantic. The place has 2 great halls for reception and program. Visit the place and book now. The View is a destination not only for the Davao folks but for everyone who would like to have wonderful and memorable wedding experience. Say "I do love you" in the View. The open hall can accommodate hundreds of guests with plenty of ground parking spaces. The other hall is air-conditioned with glass walls. Make your reservation now.